In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Gemini Pro subscription. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect along the way so you can confidently wrap up your plan without any confusion. Start by opening your Gemini account. You can do this on the web or in the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look for Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, or it may appear under your profile menu. Select Settings to open the main area where your account preferences and billing details are managed. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Manage Subscription. This is where Gemini lists your current plan details, including billing frequency, renewal dates, and any available actions. If you don't see Manage Subscription, it usually means there isn't an active Gemini Pro subscription on that account. That's perfectly fine. In that case, there's simply nothing to cancel. If you do see your Gemini Pro plan, you should also see an option that says Cancel Membership or something very similar. Click Cancel Membership. From here, just follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to confirm your choice, select a reason for cancelling, or review what happens to your features after cancellation. Read each message carefully so you understand whether access ends immediately or at the end of your current billing period. As you move through those prompts, keep an eye out for any notes about refunds or proration. Many services finalize cancellation at the end of the current cycle, and some may not offer partial refunds. The confirmation screen will usually make this clear. When you confirm, you should see a final message indicating that your Gemini Pro subscription has been cancelled. You might also receive a confirmation email, so it's a good idea to check your inbox afterward. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, go to Settings, select Manage Subscription, click Cancel Membership, and follow the on-screen steps to confirm. Taking a moment to review each confirmation screen will ensure there are no surprises with billing or access. If you don't see the cancel option, double-check that you're signed into the right account and that you actually have an active Gemini Pro plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and stress-free.